Imagine this. It's Friday evening, but instead of the usual routine, you're somewhere completely different. The stress of the week is literally miles behind you. You're parked up, the engine is off, and the only sound is the wind in the trees outside. You're not in a hotel lobby. You're in your own living room. And your view tonight? A perfect sunset over a mountain lake, or a quiet forest, or a deserted beach. This is the promise, the dream of total freedom. But so often, the motorhomes that promise this freedom come with a catch. They feel cramped. They drive like a bus. They make you feel like you're always camping, not truly living. What if you didn't have to choose? What if you could have a vehicle that drives with ease, parks without a drama, and then, when you stop, unfolds into a bright, spacious, and genuinely beautiful modern apartment? That's the question. And the answer, for 2026, might just be sitting right here. Welcome back to Auto Review Pro. Today, we're stepping inside what could very well be the most thoughtfully designed, perfectly balanced new campervan of the year. This is the Pössl Summit Shine 600L Elegance. And we're going to explore every single corner of it to see if it's not just a new model, but a new standard. Let's start from the outside. The first impression is crucial, and the Summit Shine makes a stunning one. This isn't a bulky, boxy thing that shouts Motorhome from a mile away. It's based on the Fiat Ducato, but Pössl has sculpted it. That one-piece, streamlined high roof flows from the windshield all the way to the back without a break. It looks smooth, integrated. They shine, and its name comes to life in the gorgeous, deep metallic paint. Think rich blues or elegant grays, and those beautiful, modern alloy wheels with a satin finish. It looks premium. It looks like it belongs. Park it at a fancy vineyard or a rugged national park, and it just fits. But the beauty is smart, too. Look at how clean the sides are. All the practical stuff, your fresh water inlet, your plug-in for campsite power, your waste drainage. It's all hidden behind locking panels that sit perfectly flush. No awkward boxes sticking out. And then, there's the awning. With a simple press of a button on your key fob, that sleek, low-profile awning silently rolls out, giving you an instant patio. An outdoor room. It's this combination of looking absolutely beautiful while being incredibly practical that sets the tone before you even step inside. Now, open the cab door. Step through into the living area and pause. This is the moment. This is where the Elegance package does its magic. The feeling is immediate. Light, air, and space. Huge windows on all sides and a massive panoramic skylight right above the driver's cab flood the entire cabin with natural light. It feels open. It feels free. But let's talk about the decor. Forget any old idea of a campervan interior with dark, orange-toned wood and busy patterns. Pössl has chosen a theme called Savannah for this Elegance line, and it is stunning. It's a masterclass in calm, modern style. The cabinetry is a warm, light oak style. The upholstery on the seats and cushions is a soft, textured gray fabric that feels luxurious to the touch. And then you see the accents, the drawer handles, the light fixtures, the trim, in this brushed, bronzy tone. It's subtle. It's classy. Even the ceiling is lined in a soft, light gray Alcantara. It feels like walking into a beautifully designed studio apartment in the city, not a vehicle. Everything you touch, from the soft-closed cabinet doors to the smooth glide of a drawer, feels solid, well-made, and expensive. There's no rattle, no sense of compromise. You just feel like you're in a quality space. Let's move to the heart of any home, the kitchen. And in the Summit Shine, it's a proper kitchen. This is where you'll start your mornings and wind down your evenings. You have a 3-burner gas hob with a sleek glass cover, and underneath it, a real oven. Let that sink in. An oven. This is a game changer. It means fresh bread, roasted vegetables, a proper meal, not just one-pan pasta every night. Across the aisle, you have a large 150-liter compressor fridge. And crucially, it has a separate freezer compartment at the bottom. No more defrosting cool box mess. You can have ice for your drinks and actually store some food. But the real genius here is the workspace. There's so much of it. When you need to prepare food, you simply lift this massive, solid cover that sits over the large sink. It clicks into place, and suddenly, you have a huge, continuous worktop that runs from the window all the way past the hob. It's a proper kitchen counter. The storage is brilliantly thought out, too. Deep, full extension drawers for pots and pans. a dedicated pull-out rack for spices and oils right next to the hob, a cutlery tray that has its own spot. Cooking in here doesn't feel like a chore or a puzzle. It feels normal. It feels easy. And that's a huge win for life on the road. Now turn around. This area right here, behind the driver's seat, is my favorite part of the entire van. This is the lounge, and it's a masterpiece of flexible design. You have two incredible, deep, comfortable swiveling armchairs. They are not just bench seats. They are proper armchairs with headrests, and you can sit in them for hours. Between them is a freestanding table you can move anywhere, closer to you, off to the side, wherever you want it. But watch this. With one simple, smooth motion, you can pull out the base of the rear bench and slide these two front armchairs back. In seconds, this whole area transforms into a huge, L-shaped sofa, a proper social space. Imagine sitting here with 3 or 4 friends, playing cards, sharing a drink, all facing each other in total comfort. The space feels enormous. And at night, this entire lounge transforms again. You arrange the cushions, and it becomes a massive, near king-size double bed. And because it's made from those incredibly thick, comfortable seat cushions, it's not a lumpy, makeshift bed. It's a bed you'll actually get a great night's sleep in. This one space is your living room, your dining room, your guest area, and your bedroom. It's pure magic. For those who prefer a permanent sleeping space, let's walk to the very back. The L in 600L stands for this layout. At the rear is a fixed, large double bed. It's mounted lengthways, so you sleep with your head towards the front of the van. It's elevated quite high off the floor, and that's for a brilliant reason, the garage. Underneath this bed is a cavernous, accessible from the outside storage garage. This is where you put the messy stuff. Your mountain bikes, your kayak paddles and life jackets, your hiking boots, your camping chairs, your generator. All of it locked away out of your living space. It's absolutely invaluable. The bed itself is spacious and comfortable, and right above your head is another massive skylight. Lying in bed and looking up at the stars before you fall asleep, it's a simple pleasure that never gets old. Right next to the bed, through a solid, proper door, is the bathroom, and they've absolutely nailed it. It's a fully separate wet room. You have a ceramic sink with a proper mixer tap, a large mirror, a cassette toilet, and a shower head on a flexible hose. The best part? The entire floor of this room is the shower tray. There's no tiny, claustrophobic shower cubicle. You just close the door, and the whole room is your shower. It's spacious, it's easy to clean, and it makes having a proper wash at the end of the day feel like a luxury, not an acrobatic challenge. So, why does this feel like it could be the best new camper van of 2026? It's all about balance. Let's put it in perspective. Compared to some of the top-tier, ultra-expensive German coaches, the Pössl Summit Shine offers a similar level of jaw-dropping build quality and clever engineering. But it does it with a warmer, more inviting, and more modern interior style. It feels like a home you'd want to live in, not just a machine you travel in. Compared to the smaller, more basic camper vans and conversion vans out there, the Summit Shine gives you so much more without the penalty. You get a full bathroom. You get that massive garage. You get an oven and a huge fridge. You get space for 4 people to sit comfortably. Yet, it doesn't feel huge or intimidating to drive. At just under 6 meters long, it's still manageable. You can take it down narrow lanes. You can find parking. The 180 horsepower engine has more than enough power for motorways and mountain passes. The highlights are clear. First, that transformative lounge. It's the social heart of the van, and it's incredibly versatile. Second, the interior design. The 600L Elegance package doesn't just look good in photos. It creates a calm, uplifting atmosphere that makes you happy to be inside. Third, the kitchen that's actually a kitchen. And fourth, that rear garage. It solves the single biggest problem in motorhoming: where to put all your stuff so your living space stays clean and calm. I have to know what you think. Which part of this van speaks to your dream? Is it that bright, beautiful lounge area for making memories with your family or friends? Or is it the practicality of the fixed bed and that giant garage for all your adventure gear? Maybe, for you, it's just the feeling of peace you get from that light, elegant interior. Let me know down in the comments. Type shine if you love this modern style, or tell me straight up, what's the one feature your dream camper van has to have? When we talk about a vehicle like this, we're not really talking about horsepower or storage capacity. We're talking about a feeling. The Pössl Summit Shine 600L Elegance is built to give you a feeling of simplicity, of order, of having everything you need exactly where you need it, in a space that feels good to be in. It takes away the friction of travel so you can focus entirely on the experience. It's for the couple planning their retirement adventures in comfort and style. It's for the small family that needs a cozy, safe, and functional nest after a day of exploring. It's for anyone who looks at the open road and thinks, I want my home to come with me. It proves you don't need a colossal, hard-to-drive vehicle to have space and luxury. It proves that smart design and beautiful materials can make a small space feel huge and inviting. In short, it makes the dream feel absolutely achievable. If this journey through the Pössl Summit Shine got you dreaming, if it made you think, yeah, I could see myself in that, then please do give this video a like. It helps more people discover these reviews. And if you want to see more of the latest and greatest vehicles that are changing the way we travel and live, then subscribe to Auto Review Pro and hit that bell icon. We have some absolutely incredible machines coming up on the channel that you won't want to miss. Thank you so much for watching and for spending this time dreaming of the road with us. Remember, the best journeys aren't just about the places you go. They're about how you feel along the way. Make it beautiful. We'll see you in the next one.